Hello, guys. Did you guys miss me last week? Because I missed y'all. Yo, I wouldn't do with trying, y'all. Like, I made a video and then I started editing it and then I did not like it. And if I don't like it, you're not gonna see it. So I'm like, I'm not posting that. Like, we don't post half-ass content. So this is why we are coming out with a bang this week. I don't know if you guys are doing on TikTok, but there's like this unapproachable makeup look going on TikTok right now. And this is it. I, of course, put my own little twist to it because that's what we do over here. So yeah, this is the unapproachable makeup look, but with some razzle dazzle glam squad into it. You know what I mean? So this is the look, y'all. If you guys do want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching, but pause. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe because subscribing is the only way you can be part of the glam squad. If you don't know what a glam squad is, glam squad are the best people on YouTube. We like makeup, we like fashion, and sometimes we do sit down videos. Anyways, y'all, I'm talking way too much, so without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's go. Y'all know I'm excited for this look. So I'm going to use the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. And I'm going to go with the brown shade. And yo, I'm going to focus this brown shade with a like fluffy brush. And I'm going to focus that literally only on the outer corner. And I'm only going to focus it where I usually do my wing. And I'm going to wing it out. Yo, I am so excited for this look because like, yo, this look been everywhere on fucking TikTok, and everybody's like, the body, the unapproachable. But the thing is, yo, I already have like a main face, so I don't even need a makeup. But yo, man, so let's do this shit, okay? So I'm gonna do that. She cute already, okay? She cute already. And now, y'all, I'm gonna go with the same brush. And I'm gonna go with the Pixie by Petra. And this is the Hazelnut Haze palette. You guys know I love this fucking palette. It's very neutral, so it's a good ass palette. I'm gonna go with this one first, and then I'm gonna use the lightest shade next. So now, right now, I'm gonna go with the darkest shade, and I'm gonna put that right on top of here, just so I can get like a more smoky out look. I'm switching brushes because I want it, you know, to like. So I'm gonna go with the lightest shade. Tap, tap, tap. And I'm gonna put that right on top of here. And I'm also gonna blend that lightest shade inward. And I'm also gonna use it as kind of like a sort of contour. Like so, like so. I am gonna go for the Dominic Cosmetic Celestial Thunder palette, and I'm gonna use this shimmer because it's so freaking pretty on the eye. I just love it so much. I'm gonna go with a flat brush on a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna dab that right in the center of my eye. I'm not even gonna cut the crease because it's not necessary. But look how stunning. Look how stunning. This is so freaking blinding, y'all. So freaking pretty. Now, y'all, here is what is going to bring this whole look together because, like, you know, we're gonna go with the LA Girl Auto Liner. This is a very smooth. I broke it. I forgot to close it. Like, I closed it, but I forgot to put it down, and now it's broken. It's fine. So I'm gonna go with that, and I'm gonna like place it right here, and I'm gonna smoke the wing liner out. You can get messy with it because you're gonna go in with a brush and then you're gonna brush it all out. I like to use a very tiny fluffy brush so I have more control. It is all about control for me here. So now I'm just gonna yeah, we're not done yet. Okay, y'all. So now I clean it up so I can like see how snatch it's gonna look. Now I'm gonna do the other eyes and I'll be right back, y'all, because I need to do the other eyes so I can like see the vision. You know what I mean? Oh my god. Okay, y'all. So now, you see how sharp this is? We're gonna use a 2-in-1 glue liner and we're gonna sharpen it more. So let's do this. Okay, y'all. I look cute. I feel cute. Like when I do my makeup and I don't feel cute, it's not done right. Yeah. Everything is done, but I'm gonna do my base. My base is always the same. If you guys want a step by step on my base, I'll do a separate video on that. But I'm gonna like fast forward everything so that you guys don't have to Did you like it? Did you like it? Did you? Yeah, yeah. Anyways, y'all, if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also leave me a comment on what you guys do want to see next. And also check out the latest YouTube video. It's gonna be right here, so check it out. And if you do with this fire and not subscribe, then what are you doing? Subscribe right now. Did you do it? Did you do it? Yeah, you did. Anyways, I will see you guys next week. Bye.